To get started, I just added a video clip to my timeline that I'd like to upload to TikTok. First, we'll need to change it to a vertical video by going up to sequence settings in here. We're just going to change the frame size to 1080 by 1920 to get a vertical 9 by 16 aspect ratio. That's it for in here, so just click OK. And if you get a warning, just click OK for that too. Next, make sure your clip is selected and go over to Effect Controls in here. Increase the scale so that you get rid of any black bars, and you'll also want to change the position to make sure your subject is in the frame. Alright, this looks good. So make sure your timeline panel is selected and use the Ctrl-M keyboard shortcut to bring up the export settings. First, you'll need to make sure the format is set to H.264. Then for the preset, I recommend either using Match Source High Bitrate or Match Source Adaptive High Bitrate. The adaptive high bitrate will be a better quality, but generally you don't want to go over 300 megabytes because that will fall above TOS recommended guidelines. Next up, you can change the file name and save location by clicking this link, but I'll leave that alone to save us some time. Now down in the Video tab, make sure you have a Render at Maximum Depth checked. And lastly, you'll want to check Maximum Render Quality at the bottom of the export window. We're done with settings, so click Export to export your video. Now your video is ready to be uploaded on TikTok. Keep in mind that you can use Tok's desktop website to upload your video so you don't have to worry about transferring it to your phone. But yeah, that's all for me. So thanks for watching and see you next time. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.